Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up time on your Aerox V2. First, press and hold the joystick button to access the main menu. Then, navigate to Time Settings using the joystick. Confirm your selection by pressing the joystick button once. This gets you into the right area to begin adjustments for your device. Once in the time settings, use the joystick to adjust the hours, minutes, and the AM or PM indicator. After setting the time, move to the date options to modify the current day, month, and year. Remember to press the joystick button to confirm each individual setting as you go, ensuring accuracy. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. On another note, bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. It's a fantastic way to enjoy music and manage your smart home. Check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. After you have precisely set both the time and date, it is crucial to save your changes. Navigate through the menu until you find the Save option. Press the joystick button to apply all your new configurations. Finally, exit the Settings menu by selecting the Back or Exit option to return to normal operation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.